So I'm just going to do a quick run through here. I'm going to work out all the problems. Feel free to pause, rewind, whatever, if there's ones that you need to spend extra time on or take a closer look at. When you're finished with this, you're going to do a quick Canvas check to check for your understanding. So just make sure if you're not sure on something, you're paying attention and getting that corrected. So number 1, we are multiplying with exponents. When we multiply, we add, so that becomes x to the 5th. Number 2 is multiplication as well, but we have coefficients in front, so the large numbers we will multiply. 2 times 3 gives us 6. We will then add the exponents. 4 plus 1 gives us 5. Number 3, again, still multiplication, so 6 times 3 is 18. That x has a 1 on it, so 1 plus 3 is 4. On the y's, 2 plus 2 is 4. Right? We can only add the exponents when they have the matching coefficient. Or sorry, matching base. Number 4, we have an exponent to an exponent, so we want to multiply, so we'll get y to the 12th. Number 5, we have an exponent to an exponent as well, so 4 times 2 gives us 8. But we also have a number here in front that we need to give that exponent to, so we need to take 3 squared. So we need 3 to the 2nd power, which is 9. 6, we're dividing with exponents. When we divide, we subtract. So 5 minus 3 is 2. We will get z squared. 7 is also division. So we're going to subtract. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So we want to put this on the denominator, but not write the negative. We also need to make sure that we are reducing that 6 over 8. Make sure you're reducing and not subtracting. So 6 divided by 8 reduces, to 3/4. Number 8, we have a negative exponent, so we want to move that to the denominator. Once we move it, it becomes positive. Number 9, we also have a negative exponent, but it's only on the y, so the 6 stays put, and the y is what is moving to the denominator, so we'll get 6 over y squared. Number 10, anything to the 0 power is 1. Number 11 is division, so again, we're reducing the large numbers in front, so 12 divided by 6 becomes a 2 or a 2 over 1. Okay, then we'll do the x's. We'll subtract, so 6 minus 2 is a positive 4, so that goes on top. A 1 minus 5 is a negative 4, so that will go on the denominator. 12, this whole entire numerator is getting an exponent of 0, so that becomes 1. The denominator just stays put, so we get 1 over 2x. 13, we have negative exponents, so this negative needs to come up, and this negative needs to go down, so that y to the negative 3 is coming up. Once we move it, it becomes positive. The y to the 4th is going down. Again, once we move it, it becomes positive. Number 14, we're going to reduce the 4 over 8. 4 over 8 becomes 1/2. We will subtract the exponent, so negative 2 minus 3 becomes a negative 5. It's a negative, it goes on the denominator. Okay, make sure you're good with these, and then you're going to take that Canvas check to make sure that we're understanding this content.